These are the areas where we are working, and I am very happy that Future Sharp has taken the initiative with the assistance of or sort of approval or whatever collaboration with NSDC. But you see, these are all pious desires, pious initiatives with something, with the expectation that something good will happen. But good will not happen automatically. One has to monitor. There should be periodical review. It should be well coordinated. And after 1 year, maybe today is the starting of their initiative, so audience is not that much large. Maybe in the next periodical review, maybe after 1 year or 6 months, whatever time they will take to get back to this interaction again, they will come up with something positive. We'll have something to tell about, to sing about, or to dance about. We hope for I hope that that will happen. One has to prove oneself. This is a very sort of hazy area. One must be very sure about it. You are taking money, or in the state government also we are in the partially subsidized course, which I have already talked. The people have to contribute from their own pockets. So you are taking money from the unemployed people. If you cannot give them employment, that would be a crime. I mean, at least to a large section of such trainees, you must ensure that employment is given, is ensured. A lot of responsibility comes over here. I think your efforts will live up to that expectation. I also feel, I stated about what our government is doing or thinking or contemplating. There is enough scope for synchronization and that can be achieved through interaction with the government machinery, government initiatives. If your schemes can fit into our schemes, no problem. If you want improvisation anywhere, please come up. If that would, if you feel that would work, we shall definitely agree. I sort of expect a situation which would be a win-win situation for all. On the one hand, job seeker will get his employment. The employer would get his the skilled person required for his enterprise or for his activity. Training institutes will flourish because if they'll not be doing it for charity, they'll be getting money for whatever they are doing. So once they get money, they can build up their own infrastructure. That will some training institutes are supposed to come up, well-equipped training institute. That is another achievement, I mean, for the future. Hoping that it will be a win-win situation for all and assuring all cooperation from the state government for all the good things you are doing and for all the good people. And also, I want to express my gratitude or thanks to all the good people who have assembled here for a good cause. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Sengupta. We will live up to the West Bengal government's expectations, and we hope to collaborate with you more closely on several of your skilling initiatives. We did mention that we have a few employers sitting with us, and I'd like to call them up front so that we could have a photo opportunity, and we'll follow that up with a Q&A session. Mobile Store, Shreya Rakshit. Cafe Coffee Day, Arijit Mitra. Sodexo, Samir Chetri. Aditya Birla Retail, Manak Ranjan. Spencer's Retail, Dipesh Grover. And Team Lease, Pragati Biswas. My apologies if I have left. Come forward, please.